Well, I've taken you to Ace Hardware before, where there is a great selection of grills, including the Big Green Egg, which we've talked all about. But today I'm here with Harry Schwartz at Hillcrest Ace Hardware, talking all about the accessories that you can use to enhance your grilling experience. Because, Harry, it's no longer just about burgers and hot dogs on the grill.
That's right. There are so many different things you can do on the grill these days, from baking to braising to smoking, etc. But really the key is to have the right accessories.
And I can see this giant wall of beautiful products behind us. What should we dig into today?
Right, so Big Green Egg is a great one for different accessories that you can use on their Komoda style grills. You can do everything from pizza. We have pizza stones now, along with the pizza peelers to take them off the grill, and pizza cutters, etc. So you can make pizza right on your grill, which is a great one.
That has such a good flavor.
It does, absolutely. And what's become real popular is stir fry and walking on the grill. So you can do vegetables, you can do chicken and beef, just like you would do inside your kitchen. You can now do them out on your grill.
And enjoy the outside weather while you're doing so.
Exactly, and it's summertime, so that's a great time to be doing that. The Big Green Egg is so versatile, you can even use a Dutch oven to cook your stews and vegetables and other things that you would make, maybe even an apple cobbler.
Never would have thought of that. It doesn't seem to go, but everything here is purposely designed for the Big Green Egg. It is made to work together.
That's exactly right. So great lineup of accessories and great grills to go with it.
All right, thank you so much, Harry. Come to Hillcrest Ace Hardware and get your selection of Big Green Egg accessories and get creative with your grill today.